Alright YouTube, as promised, here is the following video after installing the AFR and boost gauges on the car. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I had to do to go ahead and reroute our vacuum line issue. So if you guys don't remember, the one in the AEM came with the hose. It was a little too short to route it the way I wanted to. The little T adapter that came with the box as well did not fit this line. So what I had to do is I ran over to AutoZone. I picked up this little kit right here. I'll link this down below if you guys don't have an AutoZone or anything near you, or you just rather order off Amazon and deliver it to your door. But these are a set of universal T's, and I actually ended up using the 1/4 inch. So the 1/4 inch T to connect everything. I also have zip ties just for extra measure. Then I also bought 5 feet of this right here, and there is your size, 5.5 millimeter, 7x32. And basically all I did was I got 5 feet of this, so it runs straight through here underneath my snorkel, routes along this way, down through here, and then it rests up here towards where the boost sensor sits right here. So again, that's not going anywhere, and that's pretty secure with that gore tape. So on top of rerouting that hose, I actually also came up in here and I 3M taped with double-sided 3M tape this pillar. Right here, there's like a little bit of gap. I don't know if you guys can tell, sorry about the lighting. But that right there, that's like the only little issue I've seen. Fits nice and flush down below. And then of course, there's this right here, but that kind of closes up once you shut the door. And you really can't notice it too much. So, rerouting done, 3M tape done. Overall, I'm really happy with the turnout. Man, I got some terrible lighting right now, I'm sorry. But yeah, there you go. Not that much of an exciting video. Just figured I'd follow up with you guys like I said I was going to do. That way if you guys do install the AEM Boost gauge, you guys can already know that you're going to need to buy a certain couple little things extra. But yeah, so if you have any questions, comments, or concerns regarding that install again, please leave a comment down below and I'll try to address them for you. So until next time, I want to say thanks for watching. Never live your life in idle, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.